Ma'am Elizabeth, ano pong observation nyo sa kalagayan ngayon ni Tatay Dico?
He's okay. He's happy also seeing us and jolly. Yeah.
He was jolly today.
Yeah.
The visit was really
Yeah.
very good.
How long was the visit for?
1 hour.
1 hour.
The process should be faster than this. 6 months na siya nasa loob, di ba? 6 months. So, I think, kung pwede lang sana, he would be released, interim release, like granted sa kanya, that's okay na sa amin. Okay na sa amin. And besides, Rodrigo said, he is accepting everything. Whatever comes to him, he is accepting.
I think,
Okay
you know,
na daw siya yan. Yan ang sabi niya.
for the most
Parang
part, we
may
trust him.
acceptance na siya ngayon.
So gusto niyo po matuloy-tuloy na?
No,
Yes.
no. I think for the most part, we trust the process and we
Yeah.
have faith in the process and in God.
Yeah.
That's it.
But he is well. Okay na
Yeah,
ba?
he's alive and well.
Ah, okay,
That's as much
good.
as we can say.
Okay. So wala din siya mensahe for everyone.
We,
Wala
even if
din.
he
Hindi
has,
pwede.
we can.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.